Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel V Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm gonna do today is I did another Five Below haul. I went to a different Five Below than the the first one that I went to because they are getting more of their spring stuff out. So I did this maybe about a month ago, the first one, and they didn't have as much stuff out for spring. So they have a whole lot more stuff out today. I picked up a lot of different clothing items this time just because they had more. So and all of these are not going to be sublimation items. I picked up items that I thought you would be able to use for crafting in general, sublimation or regular vinyl. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop right on into it. Okay, so I am going to go through some of the clothing items first. Not that one. Not that one. So they had a lot of like biker shorts there. Okay, and they're not 100% polyester. I think they are 98. Let me see. 92. So they're 92% polyester. So here's the first pair I got. They're white biker shorts, very, very stretchy. They have a lot of give to them, super, super stretchy. So you would be able to sub on these. Because the other 8% is spandex, I wouldn't do 400 degrees. I would maybe do like 365 for maybe 40 seconds, something like that, just so you know you don't burn them. But I got these in a bunch of different colors. You could probably put something like down here on the leg if you wanted to, maybe a saying or something, a phrase, something. But they have mine had a ton of these in different colors. This one obviously you can't put, I bought it because I wanted to wear it like around, I like these to wear around the house and when I'm like cleaning or whatever. So here's another pair. And then they had pink and gray. You could add vinyl to these as well. You could probably sublimate on this and then it'll just kind of give you that vintage. So if you did something that was maybe black, it would definitely work on both of these. If you did something that had a color, because it's not white, it would still take, because these aren't dark. It would just have a more kind of vintage feel to it. So they had a ton of these shorts up there. So I grabbed a bunch of those. And then they also had a bunch of these little camis in different colors. Now I got one in black and then I got this kind of highlighter green color. These are 95% polyester, 5% spandex. This color you would be able to sub one because it's a light green. Like I said, it's just going to give you that vintage feel, or you could add regular vinyl to it, or you could just leave it plain. But this is a crafting option, and this was, how much was this? Let me see if I can find my receipt. I don't have my receipt, but I think both of like the shorts and these camis were either $3 or $5. Okay, so I got a bunch of those. And then they had this little cropped sweatshirt I got one in white. They did have one in pink. It was the same shade of these biker shorts. But I didn't grab one because I didn't have my size. So we're going to go ahead and sublimate on this today. I want to see how it does. This one is 100% polyester and it's a cropped little sweatshirt, crew neck sweatshirt. I thought it was really cute. So I grabbed one. We are going to sub on this today. I want to see how that works out. And then the last little thing that I grabbed was this white water bottle. It's just white, so you probably wouldn't be able to sub on this because I doubt it's sublimation coated. But you can add vinyl to it. You can add your stickers to it. It's solid white. And they had a bunch of these and they had them in a bunch of different colors. So they had white, black, blue, pink, green, orange. They had so many different colors of these and they were plain, just like this, just a solid color. And these were $3. Yep, these were $3. So if you wanted to go and grab a bunch of these and maybe put vinyl on them, you can. And they have like a little sippy top like a straw top that comes already, you know, in the top. I thought these were really cute. So you could, like I said, you could add a name here in vinyl. You could add stickers, whatever you wanted to do. Okay, that's all I have for this haul this time. And I'm gonna do these often because Five Below always has something different. They always have new stuff. They always have stuff that comes in with the seasons. So I'll try to do these like once a month for you guys. I know I did one last month in March, so I did one. This is the one for April. But that's what I picked up. We are gonna go ahead and we are going to sub on this cropped hoodie, this cropped sweatshirt. So I will meet you guys over at my craft table. Okay guys, so I am here in my Silhouette studio. I am using the business edition to print, but if you do not have a Silhouette cutting machine and you don't want to invest in the business edition, you can print from the free edition. You would just go to the Silhouette website. You're going to download the basic edition, which is the free version, and then you can go ahead and print larger in that basic edition. Cricut Design Space only allows you to print so big. This is how I have been printing. Even like I do have a Silhouette Pro now, the Cameo Pro, which is why I did go ahead and invest in the business edition. However, before I purchased that and before I purchased the business edition, I was using the free version to print bigger. So this is what I'm going to be printing from. I'm going to go ahead and merge in my file. Today I'm going to go ahead and use this image today. This is available in my Etsy shop, which I will link down below if you are interested in purchasing. I have already measured it out and it is going to be 10.5 wide. And then I'm just going to bring this down until I think it looks good. And that looks good to me here. I don't have my presets here, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip it. Because we are sublimating, so you want to make sure you flip your image if you don't have your presets already set up. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and get this printed on my A-sub paper, and I will meet you over at my heat press so we can go ahead and press this. Okay, so I'm back here and I do have my little sweatshirt here. Like I said, it's a crop sweatshirt. Here is the tag. It is 100% polyester. My heat press is set to 385 and we're gonna press it for 35 seconds just because I'm not sure if this is gonna burn or not. I don't think it is, but you can never be too sure. So I'm just gonna press it for a little less time and then I'll look at it, and then if I feel like it needs a little bit more time, we can go ahead and do it again. So right now I'm just placing my shirt on my pad here. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a pressing pillow with this because it is a very soft material, and I want to try to avoid the lines. So I'm going to put a pressing pillow in here, and I did get this from Amazon. So, and it came in a 3-pack. I will link this down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase it if you want to. I'm also going to take some butcher paper and I'm going to put it underneath the shirt on top of the pressing pillow, so that just in case there's any ink that bleeds through, it doesn't ruin our pressing pillow. Okay. Then I'm going to take my lint brush here and I'm going to lint roll it really good. And then I'm going to do a quick 5-second pre-press just to get all the wrinkles and moisture and everything out. And this is also going to test our pressure, which is too much. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this. Okay. So that should be good. Okay, so our sweatshirt is nice and prepared. So now what I'm gonna do is take my image here. And I'm just gonna place it down right where I want it. You know what? I'm gonna cut some of this white off because I think I see some of that black ink. I'm glad I caught it. I'm going to cut some of this off. I don't know if you guys, here, I'm gonna see if I can show you. There is a black line of ink. Do you see it? Can you see it right here? On my paper. So if I went to press that without cutting it off, it would have showed up on my shirt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off where I see it at. Oh man, I just ripped my design. That's okay. It's for me, and it's probably something I'm gonna wear around the house, so I'm not really worried about it. But see, I cut a little piece of my design off right here. But like I said, it's for me, and like I said, I'm probably just gonna wear it around the house. I don't really like wearing crop shirts like that out in public anyway, just because I don't think they look that good on me. But I did want to get it to see how it would sub. And since it was only like $5, I said, why not? Okay, so now I have my image cut out because I wanted to cut as much of that black off as I could. And now I'm gonna go ahead and place it down. And then I'm gonna grab some more butcher paper. I'm actually gonna tape this a little bit. My images for some reason like to stick to the top of my heat press every now and then, which creates some ghosting, and I don't want that, so I'm just gonna tape this down just a little bit. Cover it with the butcher paper. And then, like I said, I am pressing at 386 degrees. We're going to do this for 35 seconds. We'll check it. If it needs to go a little bit longer, we can kind of adjust it that way. If you guys haven't already joined my Facebook group, please do. It's Crafty Mamas with an S on the end. And I do drop all my social media handles, so Instagram, TikTok, all of that. You can follow me. Okay, a couple more seconds here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it. It looks like it did it though. We may not need to press it again, but let's see. Oh, no, we don't need to press it again. It came out really, really good. That is super, super, super vibrant. Okay, let me turn the camera so you guys can see. But here is how it turned out. Colors are extremely vibrant, as you can see. And I covered a good portion of the sweatshirt. And is it see-through? Let me see. It is, the sweatshirt is a little bit see-through. So I don't know, maybe if you buy this for a little girl, or something, you know, they may have to wear a cami underneath it or something like that, or a little tank or you know, wife beater or whatever underneath it. But like I said, this is for me, just for me to wear around the house, because I don't really like cropped sweatshirts like that. But I just wanted to see if it would sub, and it does. 385 degrees for 35 seconds, and this is what we got. Let me show you the paper. All the ink transferred, so there's no ink left. Oh wait, hold on, that's the back. Okay, here's the front. So all the ink transferred, so we got all the ink transferred into the shirt. Okay, $5 at Five Below. Can't beat it. All right, well, that is all that I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.